Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can install Jetty on your server by running the following command. This will install everything necessary for run it. Since Jetty is run as a service, then you have to make it start up with the system. If you want to verify that everything is going well, then you should run the next command. Now, access the Jetty interface from the web browser by the next address. You should use your server IP address and the port. You should see the following output. Now all that remains is to use it. That's it. You have successfully installed Jetty on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.